Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about difference between cloud computing and cloud computing. So guys, let's start. Cloud computing is a client-server computing architecture. In cloud computing, resources are used in centralized pattern, and cloud computing is a high accessible services is display and use business means in cloud computing. These users pay for this use. और वो apa look apa ni itu jenis pada kami sana
और एक टाइम पॉसिबल ना पता नहीं बाहर
saya di luar
साइड में दो से ना
So guys, that's it. Hope you all understand this topic. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.
तो ठीक है मतलब